In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Zoom 5 minutes. By the end, every time someone books with you in Calendly, a unique Zoom meeting link will be created automatically and added to your invites and notifications. Let's get set up. Open your browser and go to calendly.com. Click Log in the top right, enter your email address and select Continue. Then enter your password and continue. If you normally sign in with a third-party option like Google or single sign-on, use that as you would on any other day. Once you're in, you'll be on your Calendly homepage where your event types live. Next, connect Zoom. Look for integrations and apps in your navigation and open it. In the integrations directory, find Zoom and select it. You'll see two choices: connect Zoom for your organization, which is for admins who want to enable Zoom across a team, or connect Zoom for myself, which links Zoom just to your own Calendly account. For most individuals, choose Connect Zoom for myself. You'll be taken to Zoom to sign in, enter your Zoom credentials, approve the permissions Calendly requests so it can create and manage meeting links on your behalf, and complete the connection. If your Zoom account is managed by an admin and installation is restricted, you may need to request approval before proceeding. After Zoom confirms the connection, head back to Calendly and open Event Types. Choose the event you want to use with Zoom. This might be a quick 15-minute meeting or any other event you already have. Inside the event editor, find the location setting. Click Location and select Zoom from the list of options. This tells Calendly to generate a unique Zoom meeting for every new booking and to include that link in confirmation emails, reminders, and calendar invites. When you're done, click Save Changes. That's the key step that locks everything in. A quick tip: if you offer multiple event types, repeat that location selection for each event you want on Zoom. To confirm everything's working, open your public booking link and schedule a test meeting with yourself. Your confirmation should include a Zoom link right away. If you don't see Zoom as a location option, go back to integrations and apps and make sure Zoom shows as connected. A quick refresh or reconnect often fixes it. And if you're part of a larger organization, check whether your admin needs to enable the integration at the organization level. That's it. Your Calendly is now linked with Zoom. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.